first question we ask is basically, what really is it that we are trying to achieve? And within that list that we had before us, there was an agreement that our main goal ultimately was transformation. Some conversation about transformation versus conversion, especially when we talk about it from a Western or a particular theological position. But bottom line, transformation of the individual, transformation of the church, and transformation of society. If that is our goal, the question was then, how are we going to achieve that? And in good genius form, using the alliteration or whatever it is, we came up with these four that feed into the one. Start with the message. In our terminology that we have used here as a group, the whole counsel of God. Somehow getting that before our people, but recognizing that how we shape that content will make a difference. Most of us learn with linear logic in our Western education. A leads to B leads to C, therefore D must be true. And with my experience with Bill Gould and I, A led to, among the Samburu, A led to C, led to G, and I lost B in the whole process somewhere, but when we finished, we had covered all the points. So how we package that message begins to be a very significant factor. Thirdly, the model goes to the student-teacher relationship and the teaching styles. That we noted that in many cases we have produced around the world some pretty good seminary professors, because that is the model that they have watched in the classroom. The other side of that is, if we're going to produce pastors, then those who are doing the teaching, if it is in fact modeling, must be somewhere within the same ball game as those whom they are teaching. Next, the medium chosen, where we get into particularly the orality issues and the delivery methods. How will technology used, what methods will be used to deliver the message, and we've talked about many of those and unfair agreemently on those. And we too then got into the issue of measurement. Probably the one thing that struck me that is a little bit different from what has been talked about is the fact that every society seems to have, every culture within it, methods of measuring how well things are done. Can we in fact discover and use those tools of measurement or assessment when it comes to our theological education? Putting all of those in together and focusing on this particular transformation idea is where our conversation led us.